Grout mosaics, everyone. DIYs. Just be careful that, like with mosaics, you can get a lot of pinholes. Don't have your grout too runny. Is the secret. Because if your grout's too runny, that's when you'll get pinholes, and you'll just have to keep going over it and over it and over it. My grout is a little bit stiffer than what I was doing on these walls. It's a little bit stiffer than you know, like toothpaste. But it's worked out well. I thought I was going to have a little bit of trouble up the top there, but no, it worked out well. I've got to put a few in here. My vanity comes to about there, so if I put in 4 or 5 pieces, which I will do when I get down there, we're laughing. So I'll have to mix up a bit more grout. You wipe it off the same way anything else. Just go around, round, and then give it a wipe off like that with your wash boy. A sponge and a bucket of water, that's the thing of the past. People always use a wash boy. I would wait a little bit. See the holes, there's a hole there. Okay, so if you go round and round, it'll help to some degree. You will always get a hole or two somewhere. That's just the nature of the beast. I'll mix up some more grout and carry on with it. Stay tuned. Lean on in. Chris O's here to teach you. Bye.